So today we're going to be making a Sanctified Covenant Paracord Bracelet. It looks absolutely epic, but is surprisingly easy to make. Right, so to make this Sanctified Covenant Bracelet, I've got about 8 feet of orange. I have 8 feet of white, and I have 6 feet of blue paracord. And what I did with the blue paracord, I found the halfway point, cut it in half, like that, and then I get the white cord, find the halfway point, lay it across like that, okay? And then all I'm going to do to get the left hand orange, it's going to go underneath and through the middle, and I'm going to get it and poke it out through that left hand side like that. I'm going to get the right hand cord and do exactly the same. So the right hand cord goes up through the middle, out the other side to make a half hitch, okay, a locking knot. And then what we're going to do is pull on this cord here, hold your thumb and the buckle with your thumb and forefinger, and just pull it up like that. Do exactly the same on the other side, and you should end up with something like that. Then what we're going to do is get your left hand cord. It's going to go up through the middle and out like that. Your right hand cord up through the middle, out the other side like that. The white cords are going to go underneath and underneath this X here and back through that hole there like that. And the other side does exactly the same, underneath the middle and out through that cord there like that. And then we're going to get the blue cord, find the join, and make sure that the gutted cord goes down through that hole like that. You've got the full fat cord on the top and the semi-skimmed underneath like that, and then you pull everything tight. And I like to make sure that the join of the blue goes down underneath. That kind of anchors the blue cord in. So now all I'm going to do is tighten everything up like that. And then we do the same with the Sanctified. The left hand orange goes underneath, out the other side, right hand underneath, out the other side, left hand blue underneath the X and back out through this hole here, and the other side does exactly the same, underneath, out through that right hand hole like that. And then here comes the fun part. Your blue cord goes down and your gutted paracord comes up the right side like that, over the blue cord and back down through that hole there like that. So you get that going on, and then you pull everything together. So pull the orange and the blue, and then just pull all the ends, make it look nice and tight. Put on that gutted cord like that. Flip that blue cord up, we don't want it at the moment, and we do it again. Make sure you pull the gutted cord down and the other cord, make it everything nice and tight and consistent like that. And then you carry on down to the end. So while I'm doing this, if you're getting any value out of the video, don't forget to hit that like button and drop a comment, leaving any questions and feedback that you have, because your feedback helps me make better videos for you. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and do that notification bell as well, so you don't miss any more videos. Do all the things and I'll see you at the bottom. Right, so as you can see, it does get a little bit tight at the bottom. So I would use needle nose pliers or a fid or whatever you've got, just to make that job a little bit easier. Right, so this is the main bit of paracord that went all the way down, and all I'm going to do with a fid, I'm going to poke it right the way down here next to the buckle, and then all I'm going to do is just snip and singe all the loose ends. Right, so that is a Sanctified Covenant Paracord Bracelet, and it came out pretty good. I think this is one of the best bracelets I've ever made. It looks a lot harder to make than it actually is, which is really good, and yeah, it is quite chunky, so I would add a couple of feet onto all my cord next time I make one. But other than that, if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment with some feedback and questions, and I'll see you in the next one.